Hey guys, we're back for round 3, and we are discussing the 7.62 by 38R for the Nagant revolver. And as we mentioned before, we're going to use 30 carbine dies and 223 brass. So just a quick recap of my process if you would like to be reminded, and you can pause that. Please note that I have non-carbide in this step. It doesn't need to be non-carbide, but I had that particular die adjusted, so it was a reminder to myself. But if we get down to brass tacks, when we took the rounds out and we did some comparison just before we shot them, you can see the factory reference I had set a 308 bullet diameter. I was running lead. I ran 310s. That looked about right for my rifling. That will vary depending on the condition of your rifling. The shoulder, they're saying 330. I measured mine at 331. Now, I could have gone a little bit tighter on that. I opted not to because I was running a little bit fatter bullet. So that was a decision, just to experiment here and learn as we go. Obviously, the base diameter, the 352, I ran 351. Now, that's a chosen number. I decided I want to be a slightly under versus slightly over just to make sure I was not having problems. But you could run that at 352 if you want to adjust your lathe cut to that. And the rim diameter, you're kind of stuck with, you are what you are with the 223. You're not going to change that one. But I had zero issues at 376, even though you're, 11 thousandths or 12 thousandths smaller than the factory one. Not an issue for me. My revolver chambers were quite sharp there, no issue at all. And again, case length, they said 530 in my reference. I tried that. There's a little tiny bit of drag. I ran all these rounds at 520, 520, and sealed perfect. No issues there whatsoever. So again, my reference, we had a 108 at 1,000 feet a second. I didn't want to run anywhere near, the factory loads. I wanted to be a little bit lighter. So we ran 110s, and I ran those at 844. And it was actually pretty good. I mean, it was a little too cold to put them on paper and show you my results, but I was running SDs of 20 on my loads that I ran that day. So that was impressive. We're going to run those some more. Matter of fact, we already loaded up a few more to try again. But we ran standard pistol primers, nothing special, and we ran unique powder. So I got to tell you, it was easy to eject the rounds. There was no issues there. I mean, most of the time you could just push on them with your finger and pull them out of the cylinder. Occasionally, if they were a teeny bit stiff, I had a brass rod. Now, I could have used the ejector on the gun, but it was cold, and again, gloves and everything, so I just opted to use a rod because it was easy and fast. But so far, I got to tell you that this whole idea of converting 223 is definitely a winner. We're going to continue a little bit more down this range and see what happens. And Big L says it's a go. Until next time.